pro-life healthy culinary movement. Let's learn about olives' health benefits. What are olives? Olives are a main component in the nutritious Mediterranean diet, which puts good fats at the forefront and encourages olive oil as a primary source of dietary fat. The diet doesn't encourage reducing fats, but rather replacing unhealthy fats with healthy ones like monounsaturated fats, which are found in olives. Here are some interesting facts about olives. The olive tree grows short and stout and usually peaks at 25 to 50 feet tall. Olives have been harvested anywhere between 6,000 and 8,000 years ago in the eastern Mediterranean region. The olive branch has long been a symbol for peace and victory. Olives are harvested from October to January. Olive fruits cannot be eaten off the tree as they are hard and bitter. Olives not being used for oil are hand harvested to prevent bruising. Olives' health benefits. Provide tons of antioxidants. Oxidation within the body is proven to be connected to the progression and growth of many diseases like heart disease and cancer. Olives are a high antioxidant food that mainly provide polyphenols, which are antioxidants that have proven anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, anti-aging, and neuroprotective effects. Lower cholesterol and high blood pressure. Because olives are a good source of good fats, they don't damage arteries the way other fats do. Studies have proven olives' ability to lower blood pressure and help control and lower cholesterol as well. The hypotensive or lowering blood pressure effects of olives are due to the oleic acid they contain. Relieve pain. Inflammation is at the root of disease, pain, and injury in the body. Pain relievers are effective in curbing pain, but do damage to several other body systems. Olives are a natural ibuprofen. They inhibit the growth of enzymes that create inflammation and thus work as a natural pain reliever. Treat and prevent cancer. The Mediterranean region has substantially lower levels of cancer than European and American countries. The phenolic compounds in olives have shown anti-tumor capabilities, particularly in the breast, colon, and stomach. There is promising evidence that olives are some of the best cancer-fighting foods around. Boost heart health. A diet containing olives can not only treat symptoms of heart disease, but it has also been proven to significantly reduce the risk of heart-related complications, even in individuals with genetic predisposition to high blood pressure and heart problems. Olives' nutrition can also help prevent coronary heart disease. Work as a natural probiotic. A review of studies published in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that the phenolic compounds in olives can increase the number of good bifidobacteria, which produce vitamins and antibacterial chemicals in the body. Thus, olives improve gut health and enhance microbiome function. Lower risk for diabetes and obesity. Because olives are high in monounsaturated fats, they greatly reduce the risk for type 2 diabetes and obesity when substituted for foods containing other, more harmful fats. The antioxidants in olives also help inhibit the damage from diabetes-related oxidative stress, which makes olives an effective treatment for hyperglycemia and diabetic complications. Help fight infections. Many studies show how effective olives are in fighting off certain microbial, viral, and fungal infections. Olive fruit and olive leaf extract have been used in this capacity in folk medicine and just recently have been proven in studies. Prevent osteoporosis. Olive polyphenols are beneficial in preventing bone loss. Many studies have shown the effectiveness of these compounds in the formation and maintenance of bone. Thanks to the phytonutrients that olives nutrition provides, olives should be added to any osteoporosis diet treatment. Olives versus olive oil. The distinction between the fruit and the oil lies in preparation and processing. There are pros and cons to both, but when consumed in recommended servings, they're both incredibly beneficial to your health. Olives, 25% fat. Higher sodium, olives are cured or pickled in salt. Olives have fiber, vitamin E, vitamin A, and are a good source of copper and calcium. Beneficial polyphenol content is lower than olive oil, but polyphenols are still highly present in fruits harvested early and those that were irrigated properly. Olive oil, almost 100% fat. Lower sodium, almost zero sodium. Beneficial polyphenols are preserved in extra virgin olive oil. Sodium concerns. As a high-sodium food, you might ask, are olives really good for you? With a serving of 100 grams, the sodium content is high, 1,556 milligrams per 100 grams or 65% DV, and it can be high in many varieties because of the curing process. But when eaten in correct serving sizes, olives are very healthy. It's important to keep an eye on sodium content when that information is available, as some olives are cured differently than others. Fats in olives. Although the fat content in olives is also high, it's primarily good fat. Olives provide monounsaturated fatty acids, and more specifically, oleic acid, which is linked with several health benefits like lowering inflammation and helping fight heart disease. The fats found in olives and the Mediterranean diet are a great substitute for harmful fats.
For more educational videos, please visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/c/flavorsforlife.